Hey everybody, welcome to the Virtual Speed YouTube channel. And in this video today, we'll be doing a open box or a show and tell on this RJS 10-foot blue parachute. Okay, so when you open up the box, it's pretty much size on size. There's not a whole lot of extra, with the exception of it looks like a set of parachute pack-in instructions. It does come with a remove before flight tag, which I did not expect, to be real honest. Which is nice because, in my opinion, those always look really cool on the back of your car when it's just sitting there or what have you. And the cool thing about it as well is you don't need to go to the store and get a shoestring because it comes with a string to be able to pack your shoe. And here is, this attaches to your anchor on the bottom of your race car or whatever you have. The stitching overall looks pretty nice. It has the RJS tag. And here is the back where it mounts. This is a spring loaded chute. It's not an air chute. So I'm not going to deploy the chute to show you guys the canopy or the parachute and the cords, because it is going to be a slight of a problem trying to pack it. I mean, it's not on a race car or on a car. However, if you guys are interested, check out virtualspeedperformance.com. The link of this product will be below. And yeah, thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time.